The tech world is currently buzzing with an intensity we haven't seen in years, and at the center of this storm is a machine that has lived in the shadows of rumor for far too long. The 2026 iMac Pro. For those who remember the raw, unadulterated power of the original space gray beast, the wait for a true successor has been grueling. But as we move through May 2026, a flood of industrial leaks, supply chain whispers, and internal benchmarks have finally painted a complete picture of what Apple is preparing to unleash. This isn't just a spec bump or a larger screen slapped onto the existing iMac frame. We are looking at a fundamental reimagining of the all-in-one concept, a machine designed to bridge the gap between the sleek convenience of a desktop and the terrifying performance of the Mac Studio. Engineers in Cupertino have reportedly been obsessed with thermal dynamics, realizing that to fit the next generation of silicon into a slim chassis, they had to break the laws of traditional cooling. What they've come up with is a liquid metal-infused architecture that allows the rumored M5 Ultra chip to breathe in ways we never thought possible in a 27-inch or, as the latest leaks suggest, a massive 32-inch form factor. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Now, to understand why this May leak is different from the fluff we've heard in the past, we have to look at the specific component orders coming out of TSMC and LG Display. The numbers don't lie, and they point toward a monster that is set to redefine professional workflows for editors, developers, and 3D artists alike. The centerpiece of the 2026 iMac Pro is undoubtedly the display technology. For years, the Pro community has begged for an integrated Pro Display XDR experience, and the May leaks confirm that Apple is finally delivering a 32-inch 6K Retina display with Tandem OLED technology. This is the same breakthrough tech found in the latest iPad Pros, but scaled up to a massive desktop canvas. Imagine the deepest blacks imaginable, combined with a peak brightness that rivals the sun, all while maintaining color accuracy that meets the most demanding Hollywood grading standards. This panel is rumored to feature an adaptive 120Hz promotion refresh rate that can drop down to 1 Hz for static content, ensuring that even while it's idling, it looks like a printed photograph. But the real magic lies beneath the glass. Internal memos suggest the nano-texture glass option is becoming a standard feature for the Pro model, virtually eliminating glare without sacrificing the sharpness that Retina displays are famous for. This is a crucial move for Apple, as they aim to recapture the professional market that migrated to multi-monitor setups using the Mac Mini or Studio. By integrating the screen and the computer into a single, seamless slab of aluminum and glass, they're making a statement. The workstation doesn't have to be a cluttered mess of wires and peripheral boxes. Performance-wise, the 2026 iMac Pro is expected to debut a specialized variant of the M5 series, potentially labeled the M5 Pro Max or even a baseline M5 Ultra. Initial Geekbench leaks, which appeared briefly on a developer forum before being scrubbed, show multi-core scores that dwarf the current Mac Studio. We are talking about a 24-core CPU and a staggering 80-core GPU configuration that makes 8K ProRes video editing feel like scrolling through a web page. This is where the May leaks get truly interesting. There are reports of a dedicated Neural Engine Plus specifically designed for on-device AI generation. As Apple pushes deeper into its Apple Intelligence era, the iMac Pro is being positioned as the ultimate local server for AI training and complex LLM execution. No longer will creators have to rely on cloud-based processing for heavy AI tasks. This machine is designed to handle it all in real time, right on your desk. The thermal management system has been completely overhauled to support this, featuring a dual centrifugal fan system that pulls air through the speaker grills and exhausts it through a hidden vent behind the stand, ensuring that even under maximum load, the machine remains whisper quiet. The design language of the 2026 iMac Pro is a departure from the colorful, thin-as-an-iPad aesthetic of the standard 24-inch iMac. Instead, it returns to a sophisticated professional paw. Think deep space black and a new titanium gray finish that matches the iPhone 16 Pro series. The bezels have been slimmed down to almost nothing, creating an infinity edge feel that draws you into your work. Apple has also reportedly listened to the outcry regarding ports. The May leaks suggest a Pro I/O array on the back, featuring 4 Thunderbolt 5 ports, a dedicated 10 gigabit Ethernet jack, and, most importantly for photographers, a high-speed SDXC UHS 3 card slot on the side for easy access. Even the stand is getting a pro-level upgrade, incorporating height and tilt adjustment as a standard feature, rather than a $1,000 add-on. This marks a shift in Apple's philosophy, moving away from nickel-and-diming pros and toward providing a truly complete, out-of-the-box solution. Connectivity is another area where the 2026 model is breaking new ground. We are looking at the first Mac to fully support Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, providing the lowest latency possible for wireless peripherals. This is essential because the leaked Magic Keyboard 3 that comes bundled with the machine is rumored to feature a dynamic touch bar replacement, a small, haptic feedback OLED strip that changes its icons based on the app you're using. While the original touch bar on MacBooks was polarizing, putting on a desktop keyboard allows for a much more ergonomic and useful secondary input method. Furthermore, the 2026 iMac Pro will likely feature a 12MP center stage camera with a revolutionary desk view sensor that uses wide-angle optics to show your workspace during calls without needing to move the entire computer. This is a massive win for educators and designers who need to share physical sketches or hardware during remote meetings.